baby, watch your man out here. Tell me where he gone.
Hi everyone, Petal is Blessed here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you all another mirrored DIY. And here are the items that we'll be using for this DIY today. And I will have everything listed down below in the description box for you guys to see what they are and where I got them from. Alright everyone, let's get started! Okay, we have these mirrors here from the Dollar Tree, this shape one and the square ones. And we have some foam board here, which I cut into thin strips. And we're just going to turn the mirrors over and put them into this pattern. And then we're going to glue them down. Make sure they're even. And then we're going to glue them together with the hot glue. And now we're going to take our foam piece and add some hot glue to that. And then just place it in the middle to help keep our structure real firm together. And now I'll be taking these mirrors and making 3 more sets because we need 4 altogether to make our mirrored vase. Alright, here we go. Now we have all 4 pieces that I glued together in the same pattern with the foam in the middle to help keep it firm. And now I'm just going to use some duct tape and tape them together because we're going to make our box. Now you know I like using the duct tape. You can use any other method that you choose to make. But for me, I like using the duct tape with my box. Okay, we're just going to add some more tapes to the end. And now we're just going to put our box together. And join our 2 end tapes together also. Now we have our structure. I'm just going to add some glue to the corners. And after adding the glue, just hold it together for a few minutes because the hot glue takes a second or so to dry. So just hold it in place until the glue is dry. And then we're going to turn it upside down and do the other side also. Now we're going to make a bottom piece for our box, you guys. So I'm just going to trace out a piece of the foam board and cut out the square, and we're going to use that for our bottom piece. Okay, now that we cut out our foam piece, I see it's just a little too big. So we're just going to have to cut some more of the sides off. Just cut a few more strips and then it's perfect. And then I'm going to use the duct tape again, you guys, and place it on the inside and then place our bottom onto the bottom of the box. Which if I was thinking, I would have done this step before I joined the boxes together, but I didn't, so I'm going to have to be doing it like this. But it still works out. Alright everyone, this is the inside of the box. I have the box lying down as you can see. And I'm going to take some bling wrap that I have from Totally Dazzled and place on the inside of the box. Because there's an opening to where the 2 mirrors meet, the 2 different shaped mirrors. And I wanted to add some bling to that. It didn't look good adding it from the outside. So I flipped it over and I'll be adding it from the inside. And as you can see, I'm using my handy dandy duct tape. Because it's too narrow for me to get the glue down in there. I don't want to burn myself. So I am just going to use the duct tape and tape them down, and it's going to work out just fine. I hope you guys can see it good what I'm doing. Alright, can you see? I hope you can see good. You can see right down in there, I just added the tapes to the bling wrap, and I'm going to do the 4 sides like this, you guys. Add the tape to the bling wrap, and you'll see how it looks in just a minute. And here's how it looks, you guys. So now I'm going to add some more of the bling wrap to these sides here. I don't like the imperfection of where you can see inside. So I am going to add some bling wrap to the corners of only the square boxes. And now we're all finished with that. I'll be adding my gems from Totally Dazzled, you guys. You know I love the bling gems. Like I said, these gems just make anything you add them to look absolutely beautiful. So I'll be adding them only to the middle box, the middle mirrors, going all the way around. And here's our finished look, everyone. I think it looks nice. It's a nice little mirrored box. Well, not little, but it's a nice mirrored box. And I like how it turned out. Look at the bling on the inside, you guys. Look at the effect of the bling being on the inside of the box. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. And our gems, yes, our gems from Totally Dazzled. You know I love them. Going all the way around, I think the box looks absolutely beautiful. And here we go with the box with flowers inside. Yep, this makes a lovely centerpiece. You know, you could use it for a wedding, a nice table decor, for a wedding, for a bridal shower. It looks very nice. Or you could use it throughout your home, or you could leave it empty without the flowers. Or you can put tall flowers in it. It's a lovely mirrored vase for a home decor, or like I said, for a wedding. It looks very nice. And here it is from the other side. And again, from this angle, it looks pretty whichever way you look at it. I absolutely love it. Alright everyone, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think of my tall mirrored vase. I think it looks lovely, but tell me what you think about it. And give me a thumbs up, press that like button. And if you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and press that subscribe button so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I love to share with you guys. Alright everyone, remember, as always, stay blessed from Petal is Blessed. Bye-bye.